In today's video, I am going to show you the radicals of array input method 9 upper key. And 9 upper key is letter O on your keyboard. We have 9-1, 9-2, 9-3, and 9-4. And as for 9, it's left falling. So the first row right here, 9 falling, and 1 horizontal, and 2 left turn, 3 vertical, 4 cross. Let's begin from 9-1. Okay, the first 9-1 radical is right here at the bottom. You can see the first row is 9, left falling, and the last row is 1. Okay, so here, here, and also here, and here. So bottom, upper, in the middle. Let's go by the first one. Okay, the first one, the upper part, this is not a cross, but exception we put in a 4 cross, so 4 middle. And continue, here's a person, 8, so 8 middle. And next right here begins with dot 6 and end with 1 horizontal, 6 1, 6 upper. And at the end this is 9 1, so we press 9 upper key and space. Okay, next one. Left hand side is hand. I'll explain later. This is 9 4, 9 upper as well. And this first row right here is 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And continue, we have a cross, 4 cross, 4 middle. And the last one right here, this is 9 1, so we press 9 upper and space. Alright, next one. The radical right here is 6 9, begins with dot 6 and end with 9 left falling, so 6 9, 6 lower. And continue this middle one, this 9 1, so 9 upper. And last we have this person right here, so person 8 middle and space. Next one, upper, this is 9 1, so no questions, 9 upper. And the bottom, this is a 2 2, because this first row, the last row is 2. 2 left turn, so 2 2, 2 upper and space. Okay, the next 9 1 radical is right here, the frame. You can see the outside frame. The first row, 9, and the last row is right here, 1 horizontal. So like this one, and also this one. Okay, so 9 1, we get the frame first, 9 upper. And we have this cross. This is a 9 8, 9 left falling, and 8 right falling, 9 8. 9 8 is at 9 lower, and we have 2, so we press again. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is right here, 4 cross, 4 middle, and space. Next one, outer frame is also 9 1, so 9 upper. And continue in the middle, we have a 7 lid, 7 middle. Next, this is a 1 0, 1 horizontal, 0 square. 1 0 is at 1 upper. Okay, we've done 3, so we go to the last one, which is right here, 8, 8 middle, and space. Next one is also 9 1. You see the frame right here, 9 1, beginning with 9 and end with 1 horizontal. 9 1 is at 9 upper. And continue, we have water in the middle. Water is 3 8, begins with 3 vertical and with these 2 dots. 3 8, 3 lower. And last one, this is a 7 1, 7 lit and end with 1 horizontal. 7 1 is at 7 upper space. First one. Alright, next one. Still, 9 1 you can see right over here. So we begin with 2 1, 2 upper. And continue, we have this 9 1, 9 upper. And the next one is the 3 vertical, so 3 middle. And the right lower part is a 5 8. 5 as in right turn, 8 is right falling. 5 8 is at 5 lower and space. Okay, the next 9 1 radical is right here in the middle. See, it begins with 9, then falling, left falling, and end with 1 horizontal. So For this one, we pick left hand side first. This is a 8-1, 8 upper. Continue in the middle. This is a 9 upper, 9 upper, 9-1. And continue right upper. This is a 2 fundamental key, 2 middle. And last we have this 5-8 again. Okay, so 5-8, 5 lower and space. Okay, the next 9-1 radical is right here, the left hand side. You can see first row 9, left falling, and the last stroke is 1. So 9 upper, 9-1. And continue, this is a 7 lid, 7 middle, and space. First one. Okay, the next 9-1 radical is right here. You can see the first row 9, and cross, and last stroke is 1. So this part right here is 9-1, 9 upper. And continue, this is a square, so 0 middle. And last one, this is a 6-8, dot 6-8 right falling, 6-8, 6 lower, and space. Alright, continue. The next 9-1 radical is a little bit weird. It is not completely following the writing strokes, but to better pick up the radicals, we pick 9-1 first. So as you can see, these three have a thing in common, that if you remove this in the middle, they all look the same, and the bottom right here. So the 9-1 radical I'm introducing is right here. The first row 1 here, first row 9, left falling, and the last row is 1. So we pick the frame first, and then we go back to the middle. Same here, and same here. Okay, so as for this one, the frame without the square in the middle is a 9-1 radical. So we press 9 upper, and then we go back. Here's a square and a 1, so this is 0, 1, 0 upper, and space. First one. Okay, same here. So we pick the frame, this 9-1, 9 upper, and we go back this cross. So double cross, single cross, they all are for middle fundamental key. For middle, space. Third one. Okay, next one still. So now we pick this 9-1 first. So 9-1, 9 upper. And continue, this is a 0, 8. 0 square, 8, 2 dots. 0, 8 is at 0 lower. And last we have 4 dots, 8, 8, 8 lower, and space. Okay, the next and the last 9-1 radical is right here. As you can see, it all writes from here, the first row 9, and all the way to here, this 1 horizontal. And the reason the array input method using this radical is many other characters, the differences begins from here. So if you follow the front 3, rear 1 rule, you're gonna have many multiple characters that you have to pick. So we pick 9-1, so you can see the first row 9, and a person, and mountain, and 1. So this is 9-1, the part. Okay, so 9-1, 9 upper. And continue, we have this right here. This is 2 middle. Last one, this is a 9-8. First row 9 left falling, and last row 8 right falling. 9-8 is at 9 lower, and space. Next, still 9-1 all the way to here. So 9 upper. And continue, this is a 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And continue, this is a 4-1, 4 cross, 1 horizontal, 4-1, 4 upper. And the last one right here is 9-8, 9 lower, and space. Okay, the next radical I'm introducing is 9-2. Is right here. If you don't look at the right here, it's the first row 9, and the last row is a hook 9-2. Okay, So in this case, 9 2 9 upper, and rise is 8 8, begins with 2 dots and end with 2 dots. 8 8 8 lower, space. Okay, the next 9 2 radical is right here. First row 9 and these two strokes 2. So 9 2 9 upper. And continue. This is a 2 6 2 left turn 6 dot. 2 6 is at 2 lower and space. Okay, the next 9 2 radical is right here, the bottom right hand side. The first row is 9 as left falling and end with 2 left turn. So for this character, water 3 lower and right upper. This is a 1 6 1 horizontal 6 dot 1 6 1 lower. And the last, this is a 9 2 9 upper and space. Okay, the next 9 2 radicals right here. First row 9 left falling and the last row left turn right here. So right here 9 2. Same here 9 2. And this one 9 2 as well. Okay, so for this one, we begin with the middle one, 9 2 9 upper. And continue, we have a 7 lit 7 middle. And last one, this is a 6 8 dot 6 8 right falling 6 8 6 lower and space. Next one, water 3 8 3 lower. And the next radical is 9 9. See this 9 left falling 9 left falling again 9 9. That's a 9 lower. And continue. This is a 9 2 9 upper. And last we have 2 dots on the right hand side, 2 dots a middle fundamental key. Next one begins with 9 2, so 9 upper, no questions. And the stroke is 3, so 3 vertical, 3 middle. And last we have the 7 lit 7 middle and space. Okay, next one, this 9 2 right here, so 9 upper. And continue, we have a dot 6 fundamental key, 6 middle. And we have a knife here, 7 lit 7 middle. And last, this is a 0 4. We have square outside and cross 4. So 0 4 is at 0 upper space. Alright, next we have 9 3. 9 is left falling and 3 is vertical. So right here, this vertical 9 and end it with 3. So this one the same, 9 3, here 9 3. Okay. So for this one, 9 3 9 upper and continue 6 8 6 lower space. First one. Okay, next character 9 3 still 9 upper and continue. We have 7 lit right here, 7 lit 7 middle. And last we have person 8 middle and space. First one. Continue water 3 8 3 lower. And we have this vehicle 1 4 begins with 1 and with 4 cross. 1 4 is a 1 upper. And continue. This is a 9 3 9 upper and space. Okay, the next one, the next 9 3, you see this stroke goes a little bit to the left, but this is vertical, but doesn't matter because we picked the first row and the last row. So first row 9, last row 3. So this is also a 9 3 9 3 9 upper. And continue 1 horizontal in the middle, 1 middle key. And last mountain is 3 middle space, the second one. Okay, and the last 9 4. Let's take a look. 9 4 is hand in all kinds of hands. Okay, so let's take the first one. Hand at the bottom. So also both sides. So for this character, beginning with 8 1, 8 person, 1 horizontal. 8 1 radical is at 8 upper. And continue, we have square, so 0 middle. And last is this hand, so hand, you can see the first row is 9 left falling, and we have a double cross. So this is 9 for 9 upper and space. Okay, the next character, same left hand side hand 9 for 9 upper, and in the middle we have this 8, so 8 middle. And continue, we have this 9, so 7 middle. And last, hand again, so 9 for 9 upper and space. Okay, and next 2 is these we also call this hand. So on left hand side, this hand is exception, but we all know these are hands, so 9 upper. And continue, this is a 0 1 0 upper, and the middle stroke 1 horizontal 1 middle. And last one, this is a 3 8 3 vertical and end with 8, or you can say person 3 8 3 lower space. Next one, still hand right, not right, hand is 9 upper, and this one right here is 1 2 1 horizontal 2 left, and 1 2 is at 1 upper. And last we have this 0 1 square 1 horizontal 0 1 0 upper and space. First one. Okay, the next radical is also hand. You can see the left hand side, this is also hand. They look a little different, but hand, they are all hands. Okay, so first row 9, double cross 9 4, no questions. 9 4 9 upper. And continue. Right hand side, the first row is 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And the rest, this is a triple cross. Triple cross for middle fundamental key and space. First one. Okay, the next one. You can see the upper part, this is also hand, but you can separate this character into different typing method. Okay, I'll take 9 4 first, since we're talking about 9 4. So 9 4, see 9 4, we pick 9 4 9 upper first, and the rest we have this I 7 middle exception and space. The fourth one. Okay, the other way you can type, you pick the first row first. So 9 left falling fundamental key. And the next radical we are going to pick is 1 9. You see 1 1 9. So 1 9 is at 1 lower. And last, still the I 7 middle space. Okay. So there are 2 ways that you can type this character for now. Okay. Alright, that's all for the radicals of array input method 9 upper key, letter O on your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.